Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In the previous video, we have understood what is count and what is count A and how to use these functions in a particular given dataset. Let us understand what is COUNTIF and where we can use COUNTIF. The function COUNTIF has to be used with some criteria. COUNTIF is a function which has to be used with the range, and also we need to mention the criteria what we need to find out within that particular range of cells. For example, student 1 has scored these many marks in different subjects. I wanted to find out how many times the student 1 has scored more than 80 marks out of the marks which he has scored. To find how many times the student has scored 80 marks, we will use the function COUNTIF equals COUNTIF, open the bracket, select the range of cells of the marks and put the comma, and we need to mention the criteria for which we wanted to apply COUNTIF function. For me, the criteria is how many times student has scored more than 80. I will choose double quotes greater than and use 80, close the double quote, and close the bracket. So it will be open the double quotes, greater than symbol 80, and close the double quote, close the bracket, and enter. The result is 5. So the student 1 has scored more than 5 times 80 marks. Is it true? Let me check and count how many times he has got more than 80. It seems I will highlight the marks which are above 80. So I have highlighted the marks which are greater than 80 in green. Let me try another example. We have students 1 to 10, and these are the marks which has been achieved by student 1 to 10. I wanted to find out if any of the student they have scored less than 35. Let us use the function equals COUNTIF, open the bracket, select the entire range of cells and comma, and the criteria is use double quotes and less than 35, and close the double quotes and close the bracket. So in this entire range of cells, none of the student has scored less than 35. Thank you for watching the video.